In a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 316. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that those who curse others will not be witnesses or intercessors on the Day of Judgment. Both these stations are a high rank which the curser will be deprived of. Muslims, especially women, curse things when they are in a bad mood. This is an evil habit, as they are supplicating for the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, to be removed from something or someone. This contradicts the teachings of Islam and the characteristic of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. In fact, when he was requested to curse the non-Muslims, he replied that he was not sent by Allah, the Exalted, as a curser but as a mercy to mankind. This is confirmed in a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 321. In addition, the one who supplicates for the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, to be removed from others, will most likely have it removed from them, as this contradicts the behavior of a true believer, who must love for others what they love for themselves, according to the narration found in Jami at-Tirmizi, number 2515. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has warned in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4905, that the curse returns back to the one who uttered it if the person or thing they cursed does not deserve it, and in most cases they do not. Therefore, Muslims should not overlook this sin and ensure they do not curse things, as this is not a characteristic of a true Muslim. They should instead follow in the footsteps of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, by desiring and supplicating for the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, to descend on all. This will lead to the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, to descend on them. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Jami at-Tirmizi, number 1924.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.